Welcome to the Fluent Words. Test your grammar skills. 25 questions, 5 seconds each. Think fast and answer correctly. He insisted, blank, attending the meeting. C is the right answer. He insisted on attending the meeting. The project, blank, by next Monday. C is the right answer. The project will have been completed by next Monday. If I, blank, you, I would take that opportunity. C is the right answer. If I were you, I would take that opportunity. She is known, blank, her kindness. B is the right answer. She is known for her kindness. He has been working here, blank, 2010. A is the right answer. He has been working here since 2010. She is much, blank, today than yesterday. B is the right answer. She is much better today than yesterday. The report must, blank, by tomorrow. D is the right answer. The report must be finished by tomorrow. He agreed, blank, the contract. B is the right answer. He agreed to sign the contract. Neither John nor his friends, blank, coming. B is the right answer. Neither John nor his friends are coming. The teacher made us, blank, the assignment again. A is the right answer. The teacher made us do the assignment again. We have been waiting for the train, blank, an hour. C is the right answer. We have been waiting for the train for an hour. The conference was postponed, blank, bad weather. B is the right answer. The conference was postponed due to bad weather. The manager asked if the report, blank, ready. C is the right answer. The manager asked if the report was ready. She is, blank, a great leader. D is the right answer. She is such a great leader. I need to get my car, blank. B is the right answer. I need to get my car repaired. We will leave as soon as she, blank. A is the right answer. We will leave as soon as she arrives. This is the book, blank, I was talking about. D is the right answer. This is the book which I was talking about. I had no idea where he blank. A is the right answer. I had no idea where he was. She suggested blank, a break. D is the right answer. She suggested taking a break. By the time we arrived, the show blank. C is the right answer. By the time we arrived, the show had started. She barely blank, the train on time. A is the right answer. She barely caught the train on time. I am looking forward blank from you soon. D is the right answer. I am looking forward to hearing from you soon. If it blank tomorrow, we will cancel the picnic. B is the right answer. If it rains tomorrow, we will cancel the picnic. This laptop is blank than the old one. B is the right answer. This laptop is more expensive than the old one. I prefer working alone blank in a team. A is the right answer. I prefer working alone to in a team. Thanks for watching complete video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to share with your interested friends. And also press the bell icon